we didn't realize how big it was. Which is
Jadi
really big.
mereka nggak tahu bahkan film itu bisa sebesar itu di sana.
We just kept our
Di
heads
sini.
down and we kept working.
Indonesia.
Di sana di sini.
I never expected this
Di
kind of
Indonesia di
response.
sini.
Dia juga nggak nyangka bakal dapat respon yang sepositif ini gitu, bakal dapat kesempatan. Kemarin dia sempat bilang kalau dia nggak pernah nyangka bakal diundang ke Indonesia kayak gitu, karena awalnya dia kayak nggak menyangka kalau bakal besar.
The same thing I said in an interview the other day. 2 years ago, I didn't have work. I remember my mom was telling me, let's go back to Dubai, you're not getting work. You know, and I was just praying to God that I get some work. So when I got it, I didn't think international or Indonesia or anywhere. I just thought, okay, I got work, I'm getting to act. And today I'm sitting in Indonesia talking to Indonesian people and eating all that stuff and meeting the biggest newspapers. No, I never thought
The
I'd
biggest
never see
in
this
town.
day.
2 tahun
Biggest
lalu
newspaper in
begitu
town.
dia selesai kerja di Dubai, dia balik ke negara India, dia nggak punya pekerjaan saat itu, jadi dia kayak bingung mau kerja apa, tapi dia tahu dia mau cobain audisi untuk jadi artis ya kan. Nah saat itu ibunya juga kayak merasa kayak udah nggak dapat balik aja kerja ke Dubai gitu, jadi dia benar-benar nggak nyangka begitu dia ini acara sinetron pertama dia, dan dia jadi nggak nyangka juga pertama kali dia jadi artis dan langsung acaranya sebesar ini.
I think both of us now just sit here and just look back and smile that, oh wow, here we are, you know, because
Is this the first also for you, the series?
I know this is my third season.
Oh, the third what?
Third.
30. Oh, third, tiga. Atau tiga.
Jadi dia bilang kalau duduk di sini aja dia nggak nyangka gitu
Indonesia.
bisa dapat pengalaman kayak gini. Gitu.
Sebelumnya kalau di India sebesar ini juga kah responnya
Iya.
sampai akhirnya sampai
Iya.
300
Iya,
episode.
Iya.
Dia is it as big as in Indonesia for the series?
The show already had
Top rating,
It's the
ya?
same.
Top rating.
I think it is, but here it's just crazy. It's insane. The amount of love
I think
is something very
I
different.
think now, because it just started, so obviously as I said, writers change and everything. In the start, even there, it was huge because we were a very small production house, very small show, and we're not very big television actors. I'm a newcomer, she's still big. So considering all that, it became a massive success. Like we broke records. In India, cricket is very big, very big. We were the only show in India last year in cricket. During cricket time, we were increasing because all of India watches cricket. When cricket comes on, nobody watches television. They watch cricket. But we were the only show with a very good TRP increasing and all that. So yeah, it was very big. But here the thing is that we get to see the love. In Bombay, where we shoot, we don't get to see people appreciating our work so much. In Bombay, you've got Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, everybody's there, so we don't get to see our work. But here we get to see firsthand, okay, people loving our show. So yeah, it's pretty cool that way.
Very nice.
Jadi balik lagi ke yang pertama, karena semua jalan ceritanya itu sesuai dengan apa yang ada dalam ajaran-ajaran Islam tadi itu, jadi kayak benar-benar besar banget di sana. Dan karena dia juga bukan artis besar, dia sendiri kan pendatang baru. Kalau Isya udah ini acara ketiganya, dan production house yang saat ini menaungi acara ini tuh bukan production house besar, cuman saat itu dia pernah punya rekor gitu kayak apa breaking record bisa memecahkan rekor di India. Karena di India itu kan para pecinta olahraga kriket tuh, itu kan kayak udah kayak olahraga nasionalnya mereka. Dan dia tetap dapat slot tertinggi atau rating paling besar saat adanya perlombaan kriket di India ini. Jadi itu sangat-sangat sesuatu hal yang wow banget untuk mereka, untuk tim dari Subhanallah ini.
Karena kalau
Dan di sini di Indonesia bedanya adalah meskipun di sana besar, tapi mereka nggak pernah lihat fans atau orang-orang yang antusias banget dari acara Subhanallah ini.
kalau menurut Asia tadi dia bilang kalau di India tuh juga besar acaranya, tapi di sini tuh menurut dia tuh gila gitu, responnya tuh kayak orang-orang benar-benar seperti mencinta dia. Mereka mendapatkan rasa cinta dari audiensnya gitu, nggak cuman kalau di India, iya di India besar, cuman di sini dia benar-benar merasakan, oh orang tuh benar-benar mencintai mereka, mencintai karakternya, perannya, gitu. Jadi dia merasakan itu dari penonton-penonton yang dari Indonesia.
Terutama di India itu mereka lebih ke segmen yang kayak artis sekelas Shah Rukh Khan
Iya,
atau
Salman
Salman Khan.
Khan.
Jadi kayak mereka tuh suka segmen itu, jadi benar-benar ini tuh hal yang luar biasa pengalaman buat mereka berdua.
Hari? Kira-kira